And my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, today I am going to speak about the blessed day of 12 Rabiul Awwal. This is the most important and happiest day for Muslims because it's a birthday of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. He came to this world as a mercy for all mankind. Before his arrival, the world was full of darkness, injustice, and ignorance. Allah sent His last messenger who guided people to the right path and taught lessons of peace, justice, and equality. The Quran calls him Rahmatul lil Alameen, which means a mercy for all worlds. 12 Rabiul Awwal is not only a day of joy, but also to remember that we should follow the life and teachings of the Holy Prophet.